Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 2. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed subtraction word problems. In this video we will discuss some more subtraction word problems. Today our topic is subtraction word problems. In a stall, 60 pairs were on the stall. 43 went missing. How many pairs are left on the stall now? We will draw the chart and we will write 66 in the tens column and 0 in the units column. Same way we will write 4 in the tens column and 3 in the units column, and we will use this sign of subtraction with it. So first of all we will subtract the units. We have to subtract 3 units out of 0 units. As we cannot take away 3 units out of 0 units. So we will take borrow. We will regroup the tens. So we regroup the tens, we borrow 1 10 from 6 tens. From 6 tens, if we take 1 borrow, we are left with 5 tens here. Now we can easily subtract 3 tens, as 1 tens mean 10 units and there are 0 units we already have. So 1 10 and 0 units means 10 units. 10 units we have there. Now we can easily subtract 3 out of 10 units. Now count the shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We will subtract 3. 1, 2, 3. How many units are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We are left with 7 units if we subtract 3 units out of 10 units. So we will write 7 units if we subtract 3 units out of 10 units. We are left with 7 units. After the subtraction of units, we will move towards the tens. We have to subtract 4 tens out of 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of 5 we have to subtract 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here we are left with only 1 tens. So if we subtract 4 tens out of 5 tens, we are left with only 1 10. It means we are left with 17 pairs on the stall now. Our customers need 50 pineapples. Shopkeeper had only 33. How many less pineapples does shopkeeper have? So we will subtract 33 pineapples out of 50 pineapples to get the number of less pineapples that shopkeeper have. First of all we will draw the chart. We will write 5 in the tens column and 0 in the units column. Same we will write 33. 3 in the tens column and 1 3 in the units column. And we will use this sign of subtraction. First of all we will subtract the units. We have to subtract 3 units out of 0 units. As we can see that we cannot take away 3 units out of 0 units. Students, can you tell me what will we do now? Yes? We will take borrow. We will take borrow, we will regroup the tens. And we will take borrow 1 10 from 5 tens. From 5 tens we will take 1 borrow. Here we are left with 4 tens. We will subtract 1 from 5 and we will get 4. Here we can see that 1 tens mean 10 units and 0 units that we already have. Now we can see that we have 10 units here. 10 units plus 0 units makes 10 units. Now we can easily subtract 3 out of 10 units. Now count the shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. we will subtract 3. 1, 2, 3. How many units are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We are left with 7 units if we subtract 3 units out of 10 units. If we subtract 3 units out of 10 units, we have 7 units left. Now we will move towards the tens. We can see that we have to subtract 3 tens out of 4 tens. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of 4 we have to subtract 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. We are left here with only 1 tens. So we can say that if we subtract 3 tens out of 4 tens, we get 1 tens. It means 17. We can say that 17 pineapples are less that shopkeeper needs. Shopkeeper had 35 apples for sale. 17 were rotten. How many good apples are left for sale? As we can see that there are 35 apples in the shop. So we will write 3 in the tens column and 5 in the units column. Now we will subtract 17. We will write 1 in the tens column and 7 in the units column. And we will use the sign of subtraction here. First of all, we will subtract the units. We can see that there are 7 units that we have to subtract from 5 units. But we cannot take away 7 units out of 5 units. So, what will we do now? Can you tell me? How we will subtract 7 units out of 5 units? We will take borrow. We will regroup the tens. We borrow 1 ten from the 3 tens. From 3 tens we will take 1 borrow and here we are left with 2 tens. 1 tens have 10 units and there are 5 units we already have here. 1 10 and 5 units makes 15 units. Now we can easily subtract 7 units out of 15 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Out of 15 units we have to subtract 7 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. How many units are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. If we subtract 7 units out of 15 units, we are left with 8 units. So, after the subtraction of units, we will move towards the 10. We have to subtract 1 tens out of 2 10. 1, 2. Out of 2 tens, if we subtract 1 10, we are left with only 1 10 here. So, we will write 1 in the tens column. We can say that 18 good apples are left for sale now in the shop. In this video, we have discussed subtraction word problems. In the next video, we will also discuss some more subtraction word problems. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.